Are you a dinosaur yet? Subscribe to become one now.
Hello all dinosaurs, I'm Dan and today I'm super excited because we have a brand new box of dinosaur toys. Okay, I've bought this from eBay, I can't wait to unbox this, and today we are doing this unboxing in a different area. I'm doing this right in front of my dinosaur shelf, as you guys can see. Alright, and this is like a mini tabletop. If you guys like this area, I'm gonna do like more unboxing over here, okay? And that's Tutu for you. He's just conveniently sitting right there. Okay, so if you guys are new here, I'm Dan. I upload dinosaur videos every single day, so make sure you subscribe if you like dinosaurs, okay? So let's unbox this with my trusty box cutter, and Tutu, it's my dog. Okay, just gonna open this up. Okay. That's Tutu for you. Tutu. How are you, Tutu? Tutu. It's like ignoring me. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, just to let you guys know, this is actually a box of vintage Jurassic Park toys which I've got from eBay. You know, I've thought these toys are actually pretty low in terms of its price. Wow, take a look at this. I got this whole box for like probably about $30 USD. Less than $30 if I remember correctly, okay? So this first figure right here is actually a Jurassic Park 3 Spinosaurus. It looks so good, oh my goodness. Wow, it looks pretty cool. Okay, and the condition of it is actually pretty good as well. Not too sure if this is still working. Wow, guys, listen to it. I think I got a pretty good steal. Listen to the roars. Can you guys hear that? It is actually pretty good. So this is the Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park 3. I think this is a really good figure. The condition of it is so good. You can actually move the arms and the legs. Okay, let's see. Are there any words written below? Okay, it says Universal Studios, year 2000. Okay, it's pretty good. Not bad. Can it stand? Let's try. Yeah, it's standing pretty good. Okay, what else are inside this box? Let's take a look. Alright, this is a JP3. I think these are just like repaints. Okay, this is a T-Rex. It's a little bit sticky though. I think the paint is like coming off or something. It's a little bit sticky. And in terms of condition, this is really good. Okay, I can't believe I've actually got all this for like less than $30. It's pretty good steal, I guess. Okay, this is a Jurassic Park figure. So probably tomorrow I'm gonna do like a collection video of all my Jurassic Park toys. Do you guys want that? Let me know down below. Okay, let's listen to the roars. That sounds really nice as well. Okay. Wow, this is JP3, as you guys can see the logo right here. T-Rex face is looking really nice. You can open a jaw, you can move the arms. What about this button right here? Ah, this button actually opens up the jaw. Nice, really nice. Condition is really good. And let's see whether this has a button below. No. Alright, beautiful sail. Oh, there's actually a button right here. Check this out. Wow, and this actually moves the arms. Nice. And you can actually see some damage of the sail right here. Some battle damage. Really well done, this figure. Okay, let's get the other one out. Yeah, this is the one which I've been looking for. This is actually a Brachiosaurus. And this will be my first Jurassic Park Brachiosaurus. Wow, it's looking really nice. I love it. So the tail triggers the legs in front. What else are there? How do we activate the roar? Trying to find a button. Okay, you can actually move this leg. This will actually move the tail. These two hind legs doesn't do anything. Okay, the neck is actually soft and rubbery. Okay, there's plenty of paint coming off. I guess you can actually bend the neck. Yeah, it's looking really nice. I love it. So let's take a look at this 3 figures. So this actually triggers the tail. JP3, let's listen to the roars. Nice. 3 very nice JP figures. I'm very happy with these 3 figures. I think they're from Hasbro, and yeah, these 3 Hasbro figures are very nice. I love them. What do you guys think of my 3 figures? I think I've got them for quite a good steal. What do you guys think? Please let me know down below. I love them. Alright, so this is the end. I wanted to show you guys maybe like more Jurassic Park figures, but probably tomorrow. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'll show you my entire collection of my Jurassic Park figures. Okay. So yes, that's Tutu for you. Looks like he's here. Oh, Tutu, please come back. Come on, Tutu. Please come back. I want you to be in a. Oh, he's back. He's back right now, and he's like looking at me. What do you want from me, human? And he's walking away again. Come on, Tutu, please come here. Come on. It's like, please stop disturbing me, human. You have nothing to give me. Okay, so 3 brand new figures from Jurassic Park. Really happy with it. And this is my dinosaur shelf. I mean, if you guys are new here, let me just show you around, okay? So this is my dinosaur shelf where I keep my Papos, my PNSO, my Rebel figures. And over here, this is my little corner. Just gonna switch on all the lights for you guys to have a look. Okay, so my Indoraptor section. Let me just close this camera stand. That's my JP section, right? I mean my Jurassic World section, and this is my Jurassic Park section. So I'll probably show you guys this tomorrow, together with some other Jurassic Park figures. And these are like the attack packs and some Jurassic Park figures at the top. And these are like a mix of figures. Okay, let me just switch on the lights. This is for the new viewers. I call this the Colossal, the Titans area. So it's kind of messy right now, and this is like a mix of different things which I love. Jurassic World and Jurassic Park figures, some of them right here. Oh, these are the huge figures. Yeah, this is like my room, my little corner where I do my editing. I do my editing on this table right here. Yes, so basically this is it. Let's go back to our little corner. So I've found myself another corner for us to make videos. So do you guys like this little corner? Let me just call this the mini corner. Alright, unboxing from the mini corner. Do you guys like the mini corner? Drop a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video really soon. Yeah, hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up, share it, drop me a comment, and I'll try my best to reply to you. And if you're new here, my name is Dan. I upload dinosaur videos every single day, so make sure you subscribe if you like dinosaurs and Jurassic World, okay? And I want you guys to let me know down below which one is your most favorite among these 3. If you ask me, I'm gonna go with either the Brachiosaurus or the Spinosaurus. Yeah, I think this 3 looks really nice. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.